Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, it was a holiday yesterday in US, but still we got to see some movement in the market. Market made a high of 2507, then market came down to the low of 2490, took support, and right now market is standing around 2495. This is the current market price. And if you look at the market sentiment, we can see gold edges lower while market awaits fresh cues. Okay, gold edges lower early on in Asia trade as markets await fresh cues after reaching a record high recently. Prices are likely locked in near-term consolidation mode as investors wait for a series of key economic data this week. That this will guide the debate around the scale and pace of the Fed's policy easing. This week is important because of the NFP, and you must be knowing that NFP is a major event. But before NFP also we have a series of events. So each and every day will be a crazy day. Today we have PMI coming up. PMI may not be a major event like NFP, but still it will bring volatility. Please be careful at the time of news because technicals will not work. That's a bitter reality and we need to accept it. So as a trader, we should know when to go with the technicals and when to go with the fundamental direction. So after the PMI, if you see that there is a sudden drop in the market, go for a sell. If you see that there is a sudden rise in the market, try to go for a buy. And swing traders, position traders, try to avoid trading at the time of news today. Okay. Now let's look at the trading opportunities. So we can see that overall the market structure is still the same. As we all know, the trend of gold is overall very much bullish. So as a positional trader, if you're holding a buy on gold, you can continue with your buy position because gold is fundamentally bullish. And if you're stuck on a sell, because I have received few emails yesterday and day before yesterday also that people are stuck around 2470, 2460, then you should have exited around 2490 because of if we look at the present trend of the market here, we can see a sideways market and market is going up. If market goes up from here, then you will be stuck again. So obviously at one point you will have to book loss because we don't know right now whether market will come down or not. But if market goes up from here, you will be in trouble. So if you're stuck on a sell, try to exit. And during the day or by the US session, if market breaks 2490, then obviously you will get a better entry. But do not be too greedy. Whenever you get an opportunity exit, try to exit. Okay. And those who are looking for fresh position in the market, try to stick to the levels. Again, I'm repeating, those who are looking for fresh position in the market, try to do level to level trading. This is not a market where you can expect to sit on a position for a couple of days. Every day we have a news. We need to be flexible with the market situation. After NFP, if market takes a particular direction, then you can sit on the trade for 3 to 4 days. But right now, level to level trading is the safe and best trading strategy. So before US session, if we see gold going up, then we have two or three selling opportunities around. Okay, 2504, 2505. Why do we have a selling opportunity here? Because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level, and you can see we have the 50 moving average coming down. Okay, and right now we don't have much volume in the market, so if market goes up also we can expect some sort of resistance. If market receives some resistance or selling pressure, okay, we can hit the sell button. The second selling opportunity will come around 2509 to 2510 because of FIBO 50% retracement level. You can see here we also have the previous support working as resistance, and we have dynamic resistance also around this area. So if we need to compare, then this is a better level to take a sell instead of this. But right now we can look for a sell around 2504 as well. Okay, and what we have one more selling opportunity which is around 2514 to 2515. This is another selling opportunity here, but I don't think so market will go to this level before the US session. But still, these are the levels where we can look for a sell on the chart of gold before US session. Why before US session only? Because after the US session, if market goes up with big candles, then obviously it will not work. If you're wondering, then Avilash, if it will not work after the news, then what is the use? My dear friend, we are traders, not gamblers. Okay, it is not possible to predict the market at each and every level. When volume will come, technical will not work. Nobody can predict when what will happen after the news. Okay, so only way to survive at the time of news is to go with the flow. That's it. Sorry to break your heart. We have another risky selling opportunity around 2500. Okay, here you can see we have the FIBO 23.6% retracement level, but I'm a little skeptical. But if you see that okay, market is struggling around the area, then you can look for a sell. And on each and every level, we can expect a sell of 40 pips, and we can go for a stop loss of 40 pips. So 1:1 risk to reward ratio in this market situation, 1:1 risk to reward ratio is good enough, because if we go for a 1:2, 1:3 risk to reward, then obviously our TP will not get hit. But after US session, if we see market going down, for example, after US session, when the PMI data comes out, if you see that there is a big drop in the market, then you can look for a sell below 2490. Why we can look for a sell below 2490? Try to understand. Okay, I won't take much time. See, to break any level, volume is extremely important. Okay, so here, okay, market is right now forming a temporary support, but news will bring volume, volatility in the market. So once market will drop with high selling pressure, the temporary support around 2490 will not work, and then we can look for a sell below 2490. Okay, but when we trade on reversals, try to understand, when we trade on reversals, we need a very strong resistance. Okay, we need a very strong resistance that will work at the time of news. Okay, and the levels that we discuss right now are mostly based on the FIBO levels, and to some extent some price action levels. So they are not strong enough to reverse the market at the time of news. But at the time of news, we can expect 2470 to work as support, because this is a strong level. So every level has a capacity. 2470 may work at the time of news, but levels like 2504, 2510 will not work, because they do not have the capacity. Got my point? So let me wrap it up. So if market goes up before US session, we can look for a sell around 2504, 2505, 259, 2509, 2510 and 2515 area. Okay, because these are minor levels, they will not work at the time of news. So after news, if you see that gold is going up, follow the trend of the market. That's it. But after news, if you see gold is going down, then we can look for a sell below 2490. Chances of market going below 2490 before US session is less. Okay, and we have a strong support around 2470. If anything bad happens to the market, then obviously we can expect buyers around 2470, 2472 to be active and provide support to the market. If they give support to the market, we can hit the buy button. And be careful, follow proper risk management. Okay, you must be knowing that the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again. I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में ही होता है. It's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support, specially designed for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money for last couple of months and years. Okay. You can see it's a 7 days workshop. There will be 3 consecutive classes here. Okay, and then there will be 4 weekly sessions. These are the dates. You can see Hindi classes. These are the dates, English classes dates, and weekly session dates. But I have an announcement that you don't need to worry. You can join now also. Till the workshop, you'll be receiving free updates, analysis. And after the workshop, yes, you will be receiving the 1 month support that I always give. Okay, so you can join now also. You'll be receiving everything for free. And these are the topics that we will be dealing during the first 3 days. I have carefully chosen the topics. We won't be discussing about SMC, fair value gaps that are available online. We will be dealing with the hardcore concepts that are necessary for trader to survive in the market. And after the workshop, you'll be receiving this stuff like the lot size calculator, very important. Okay, and trade plans. And as I said, 1 month support. In 1 month support, okay, you will be added to a WhatsApp group where you'll be receiving regular market updates, analysis, and we also have live sessions from time to time. And yes, we also have a community on Telegram where we can meet traders from all around the world. You can share ideas, ask questions. Okay, if you want to see how does the group look like, okay, just click here. Okay, I have a sample video here. Okay, you will just get a gist. And these are the topics of the weekly sessions. Okay, and all the classes are conducted over Google Meet, and due to time difference, many people cannot attend. So no need to worry, I record each and every session. Okay, and the best part is the fees, my dear friends. You can see only $20 or rupees 1500 for 7 days workshop with 1 month support. And trading is a journey. Trading takes time. 1 month is less sometimes, or most of the time. Okay. So if you're looking for personal sessions with me, if you're looking for WhatsApp support with me, then yes, you can also sign up for a semi-annual or lifetime. Okay. You'll be receiving all the things for the rest of your life. Semi-annual or lifetime is useful for those who are looking for a career in trading. Okay, and these are the payment methods. Once you are done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group.